Hello guys, good morning to all, good day. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our weather analysis for this Tuesday to Thursday, December 5 to 7, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. And we would like also to promote the Comunidad Climate Action Center. If you're willing to have your own software in detecting tropical systems, climate systems, as well as earthquakes and dengue mosquito index, just visit our website typhoon2000.ph and click on the banner of Comunidad, and you will be forwarded to a Google form for you to answer. And then once submitting the form, Mr. Iron Cabasal of Comunidad will be the one that will contact you to discuss further all about this Climate Action Center. Now, before we begin, I would like to thank you for all who greeted me for this special day. Since we are now on the golden years, okay? But I'm willing to continue to provide early warning information on upcoming tropical cyclones, as well as daily weather analysis twice a week, depending on the situation across the Western Pacific, and also some climate information like El Nino, La Nina, and other information related to weather and climate. Okay, so again, thank you so much for the support, and I hope all of you will have a great Christmas ahead. I'm praying, I wish that there will be no tropical cyclone that is expected to enter PAR and affect the Philippines. But there's one model, which I hate to see it, the American model. Between December 13 to 15, there's a cyclone that could traverse Visayas or Mindanao, but it's still highly uncertain. 8 days to go. It's zero probability. And the good news is the European model is not showing this system. So relax, and there's nothing to worry about, and we are here to give you the very latest if there's an approaching tropical cyclone. So let's begin now with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, which we issued yesterday, valid until today. It remains the easterly. These are warm trade winds from the Pacific, bringing some hot conditions up to 40 degrees centigrade heat index. And there are some showers expected during the afternoon or evening, but these are isolated ones, particularly over eastern Visayas, eastern Mindanao, portions of the Bicol region, and some portions of eastern Luzon. There's a shear line yesterday, but it has already departed to the northeast, and a developing frontal system here has gone into a frontal system to the south of Japan. We're going to show it in a while. And we have a near equatorial trough. There's no LPA developing, although out here, outside of this picture, there's a developing weak low pressure system, and we are going to observe that. Maybe that's the one that the American model are showing, but the European model, it shows that it will just dissipate in the coming 5 to 8 days. But we are going to monitor that from time to time. And here's the fast animation. So this is the system that we are observing right now. There's a twin one that formed to the south of the equator. It's a cyclone to the south over the South Pacific, moving towards the south, and it's not a threat to our country, but this is the one that we are going to observe. But so far so good, nothing serious yet. And then Easterlies will prevail here over the Philippine Islands, and you can clearly see here the frontal system that I have mentioned in our GovSat. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. Here are some thunderstorms approaching the eastern seaboards of Davao Oriental and eastern Caraga. So take all necessary precautions for possible heavy thunderstorms generated by this wind flow. And also here across the eastern sections of Visayas, Bicol region, and northern Quezon. But so far, everything is quiet, hot and dry, and except for some thunderstorms across Sulu Archipelago and over here over Palawan. So expect more thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, since our planet continues to warm, and even though we have El Nino, we must be thankful that we have rainfall activity, particularly along the eastern sections of our country. Here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model. So far, for the next 24 hours, easterlies to variable winds across the Philippine Islands, and on Tuesday, there's another surge of the northeast monsoon that will affect extreme northern Luzon, light northeasterly or easterly winds across eastern Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. And Friday, it remains easterlies or northeasterly trade winds. And if we take a look for next week, that will be on December 11, to show you if there's an approaching cyclone. So far, so good. There's one here, a very weak LPA near the equator, nothing to worry about. Now, on the American model, it shows here that there's a cyclone forming to the south of Guam and accelerating towards the west to west-southwest, making landfall over eastern Visayas on December 13. But again, this is highly uncertain, not sure, still at 0 to 10% probability, so nothing to worry about. We will be worried if the other models, like the European model, shows this kind of the system, while the Australian model also shows nothing. Okay, this is the Australian model, the axis, you can see it here, so there's nothing to worry. And for the rain forecast, during the afternoon, we expect some rain showers across the eastern sections across the various sections of the country, particularly the eastern sections, more frequent over Mindanao. And every morning for the next 3 days until Friday, it will be good, sunny, and clear. But during the afternoon, tomorrow Wednesday, expect again thunderstorms across central and southern Luzon, Visayas, Palawan, and Mindanao. But these are isolated, scattered. And Thursday afternoon, the bulk of the thunderstorms are more concentrated now over Palawan and some portions, smaller portions of Mindanao, while no or less thunderstorms can be seen here over central and southern Luzon. Some showers over extreme northern Luzon because another surge of the northeast monsoon will be expected, but only over this area. And on Friday afternoon, some small amount of showers over Cagayan Valley, Visayas, and some thunderstorms again over Mindanao. Bicol will be having some hot and sunny. It looks like it will be all day during Friday. Okay, let's hope it doesn't change. Every day, the forecast changes. That's why the accuracy of local forecast is only from 50 to 70%. So there are some comments that when I say it's raining for the next 3 days, then it will be sunny, or vice versa. That's the way nature works. But on weather systems, the tracks are more accurate, and we can highly predict the track of these tropical cyclones. So this is just an added feature of my advocacy, this daily forecast, but we are more focused on tropical cyclones since we started this way back in 1997. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, the concentration of these thunderstorms are here over Mindanao, particularly the eastern sections of Carga and Davao Oriental, as well as the eastern coastal areas of Samar and Leyte, and also here over Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, and Zamboanga Peninsula. The rest are more isolated and smaller thunderstorms, so nothing to worry about. So that's the latest for this Tuesday, December 5th, and we will return before the weekend. This is Mike Padua saying have a great day ahead. God bless all. Stay safe. And thank you so much for watching our channel.